These days many people are asking this question that there is COVID, there is lockdown in many states, and markets are all time high. So did market lost touch with the reality, or they are detached from reality, or are markets thinking that there is no COVID and everything is all right? And if there is COVID, then why market is not coming down? Why market is not correcting? There are many people who think market is very highly valued and they are waiting for market to correct so that they can buy the stocks. Before actually going deep into this topic, first I want to tell you one famous quote by Peter Lynch. Okay, Peter Lynch was a legendary investor, and this quote says that far more money has been lost by investors in preparing for corrections and trying to anticipate corrections than in corrections itself. Hence, it means that far more investors lost money in anticipating corrections, that okay, when correction will come I will buy, or preparing for corrections, that okay, collecting money that when correction will come I will buy. In this process, far more investors lost money than in actual corrections. Okay, it means you should not wait for corrections to invest. This is a very famous quote by legendary Peter Lynch. Now, if you see Nifty's current levels, it is near all time. It is not above 15,000, but and in last 2-3 months it's correcting, but the correction is more of like time correction. Price wise, Nifty did not come down significantly. It is more of a time correction kind of. So Nifty levels are all time high, and an important thing which I want to mention here is first tenet of Dow theory, and on in context of that we will see that why market is not coming down. And the first tenet of Dow theory says that price discounts everything, or market discounts everything. So here, what is meaning of market discounts everything? Market means whatever prices you are seeing on screen, they are the prices after considering everything, after considering businesses, business environment, country's environment, emotions, after considering everything, that prices have come on the screen, and these are most real prices. So I personally believe that markets are best judge of any situations. Okay, and market gives you best information about everything happening around. Okay, and the first tenet says that price discounts everything, or markets discounts everything. Now let's move to the COVID second wave. What is happening? Again, all of us are at home, and in many states there there is lockdown. Many businesses are in their worst phase. But then why market is not going down? When COVID has actually started last year, in early days there was a fear, and all of us saw the crash in market. And even when market crashed, people were dreaming that it will come down below 5,000 also. Okay, because if there is fear, there will be people who have less fear, there will be some people who have more fear. But what market do? Market goes with actual perception, actual reality, because there will be some intelligent brains who correctly identify the situation, who correctly analyze that, well, this stock has come down this, but now this is a we are getting it for very cheap prices. We'll never get this quality stock below this price, and they start buying. And what happens? Then other people start buying, then everything starts buying. And when lockdown is declared, that day market was at its bottom. The worst phase started when it started. First day, fear was at high and market was at its bottom. And then lockdowns, everything started, but market started moving up because fear started coming down. Now, if you see results of all big companies which are in the Nifty 50, then you will come to know that last year most of these companies have their profitability increased, their revenue increased, and some industries like in IT did phenomenally well. Their costs have come down, their earning has increased, and their profit has increased. Now this is learning for investors, and many investors now know that COVID won't impact economy too much. And if market is not going down, it means market also thinks that whatever impact of COVID was there, we already absorbed. Many industries came out strongly, and market is actually reacting positively to this situation. So the fears of COVID, I don't think market has those fears of COVID now. It doesn't mean that market is detached from realities, because there are many people sitting to take advantage of the advantage of such kind of opportunities where market don't know information but you know, right? And that's why that's why you must know this fact that market has no fears of COVID now, and that's why you are seeing these prices on Nifty chart. Even if you see the correction, it is more of time correction. Nifty is not coming down significantly, and as some people are thinking that Nifty will again come to 7,500 and 800 levels, I don't think now that those levels will come, because those fears are long gone. Market is not scared of any COVID wave now. So by seeing the earnings of companies last year, which did not impact, in fact many of these companies have their revenues increased, profits increased, and in this situation this fear is unnecessary. And even if you are waiting for the correction, then also my suggestion is, don't wait for correction in Nifty, start playing in individual stocks, buy based on the levels, and you also remove this fear of COVID from your mind. Be normal and do business normally, and be happy. Okay, so please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much. Goodbye for now.